Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a permission set group in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to setup. So we click on setup and then we need just to go to the group sets or permission set group. So let's just type permission and we will find the set groups, and then we need just to create a new one. So we have already some default ones, and you can simply click on your permission set group. You give it a label, my permission or set group, and then we need just to click on save. So now we will be able to access to this set group, and you can start adding the permission sets to this group. Also, you can combine many permissions. So let's simply go to the permission sets uh, here, and we can add the permission sets to this group. So we already have many permission sets. So for example, let's just choose these ones, and then I'm just going to click on add, and basically they will be added to this permission set group. So whenever you sign this permission set group to any other profile or user, it will include all these permission sets. And basically by that you can include many permissions sets to only one group, so you can have it easier to assign many sets to groups. Also you can configure like the other permissions like system permissions, custom permissions. If you already have any custom permissions, you can just uh, choose and click on manage assignments, so you can add all the assignments, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.